इसको relevant नहीं समझते in general, but it is the hot topic today, and it's a privilege probably to present in front of the members from Vesoda, the members from TED, the members from ISEC, if I'm right. So it's a privilege, like he said, Deepak Sahu, that it's going to be a fair for IT. That's what I see. It looks like an award night, like you have those movie award nights. So I thought I'll just start with more of an AV, which I wanted to run through, because I don't have a slide changer. So आप लोगों को मेरा video run करना video. Shall I put across? Because this audience is a mix of end customers and system integrators, and that's what One India puts us in the fix generally. कि हम OEMs present क्या करें? अगर end customer के बारे में ज़्यादा बताएंगे तो शायद channel वाले गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. It has to be a balance between them. So it excites the the IT community out there, and also it excites the end users who are going to buy our products in general. So the theme of the presentation, which I could keep, is accelerate. Accelerate your business, accelerate your network, accelerate the partnership which we can have, and that's how we can grow together. Thank you. So network trends and opportunities, as I see, they are growing. There are a lot of threats out there in the wild. So probably you can put it on the podium for me, I think. Okay. There are two parts of the world always, two sides of the coin. You already have the good guys and the bad guys, and there's always going to be a tussle when we talk about security. And this tussle, as you can see evidently, there are the cyber criminals. As per Gartner, cybercrime has become an industry itself which is fast growing. And then you always have the people who are on the other side, generally the endpoint, the consumers, the government organizations, the guys who are the good guys on the other side, keep having the data, having the resources. So as it is defined, that internet is very open. Everybody knows it's an open, wild world out there, and we all know in this wild world, the one point of security which the first block is basically just like the medieval periods. There are hackers in this wild world, and to protect this, we have something like the gate. You call it the security wall. The firewalls in general, what the companies or customers generally adopt to secure their data, is the first line of defense. And then, if you move ahead, these things are getting more and more sophisticated. The concerns, the network concerns, are getting more and more sophisticated. Gone are the days when लोग कहते थे कि antivirus can do everything, or viruses were the only things which are there. I see a panel of esteemed enterprises sitting here, where they must be very much aware that today the threats are more from inside, and moreover, most of the IT applications have become web-enabled. When I say web-enabled, means सारी दुनिया आज application के around घूम रही है. When I say application, means all things are working on a very standardized port 80 or HTTPS. It's very difficult to actually identify which is a legitimate traffic and which is a non-legitimate traffic. So that is one thing which is becoming much more concerning. As you see, some of these applications are productive, and at the same time, some of the applications are having their legal issues with respect to that, or I would say productivity issues associated with it. So if you see these applications, you find BitTorrents, you find Skype. Now some people say that some of these applications are the need of my organization. Some of the organizations also want to do social networking using this, which is an important part of their company. At the same time, it can be abused. So one of the concerns which today the CIOs are facing is basically controlling these type of applications in general. So to create or to take it to the next level, any security company would like to ensure that security, as it is dynamic, needs to have an update periodically. We call it the guard. One is the gate, the guard generally, and this guard has to keep on updating itself for the new type of threats which are there. Aajkal spyware, malware ke alawa, there is something called as ransomware. There are new phrases which are coming out in the market every time and again. I was yesterday speaking in a CIO summit where I was presenting on advanced persistent threats, APTs. Advanced persistent threats have a very different meaning. How to address zero-day vulnerabilities. आप बहुत सारी organizations में आज भी Windows XP यूज हो रहा है, जबकि उसका OEM उसका support April में बंद कर चुका है. So what is the threats which the organizations are facing? At the same time, when they are inclined to use such IT systems in general. So when you talk about security, you call that something which is needed is performance. With security, you put a wall, you put a check, you need to perform. You need performance so that the data, the access to the user doesn't slow down. And acceleration is another part when it comes to decision making around security. Fortinet as a company tries to address these three domains. One is the gate, the guard, and also the security and performance associated with that. So these are the three vectors which we do it in general. Zero-day attacks, जैसे मैंने कहा, zero-day का simple हिंदी में मतलब यही है जो हमें जिसका पता नहीं है. Just like the swine flu. है, पता है, लेकिन उसका अभी तक remedial नहीं है. या ऐसी कई चीजें जो we are not aware which are a threat to the IT setup and things like that. Because I don't want to go in detail, but today every organization is very much dependent on IT, and zero-day attacks are becoming a very important criteria for the for the organization to address. APT, advanced persistent threats, as I told, ransomware, suddenly a virus, suddenly a worm on your, or an application on your PC can encrypt the entire normal files, a PDF or a doc file and thing, and when you try to launch it, it will ask you for a payment online. Once you make the payment online, only then you can open that file. Otherwise, it is lost forever. There is something called as ransomware, which we are seeing very much in the wild. DDoS is also a reality. बहुत सारी कंपनीज इंडिया में इम्पैक्ट हुई. इनफैक्ट एक स्मॉल जजमेंट मैं कह सकता हूँ कि a judgment for the South Indian movie which was passed by the Madras High Court instigated our cyber hacktivists, called Anonymous, who launched a mass attack on most of the Indian corporates and the government's websites, and we could see what happened. So as I talk about security concerns, as I talk about various threats, and I talk about various crises in networks, for IT companies, for OEMs like us, for channel partners like you, it will always create opportunity. Today, we are seeing a mass growth, a phenomenal growth in data. Infonetics का report है जो कहता है कि 18 months में the data is going to exponentially always grow. Every customer looks at increasing the bandwidth within 18 months. So 18 months का cycle है, पूरा report है, research है उसके ऊपर. Today 1 gig is falling short. People are looking at 10 gig. And let me tell you, the advanced nations out there are already having their networks, medium enterprise, on 40 gig. That is the type of data which is floating in the network. Today, Fortinet is capable to give you firewalls having 100 gig port, because there are banks and telcos in our countries which are talking. Sir just said about Internet of Things. That's what even Cisco tried to endorse some time back. It's going to be a big market because apps, Androids, and everything is going to be like controlled over your handheld devices. Whether it is your microwave oven or your refrigerator or your lights in your house, Internet of Things is going to be critical. What has happened in the recent thing is, it is not just about data, it is also about reputation. Companies are finding that it's not that when there is a cybercrime activity which happens, the major thing which gets lost is the reputation. What happened with the Apple hack recently? Many personal information of people on iStore got leaked, and that was a loss of reputation in general. So that is one thing which Internet of Things can bring into perspective, because you can get access to your personal devices and peripheral. If you need to know more, you can go to fortiguard.com. This is the site which can give you the threat map in general. And if I really have time, maybe 5 minutes more if I can take, if you can really run the slides quickly, because I know you have given me very limited time to present it. Once I spoke about threats in general, there is a lot of things I can detail of. Fortinet, for people who don't know generally, we are known to be a leader in this domain called network security. It's like a company which has got the highest patents in the industry, and it's based out of US with its 131 offices across the world. The growth for Fortinet has been just on the uprise, a Nasdaq listed company in general. So when I'm talking about it, a company in Lanjigarh, Orissa, adopting a FortiGate solution can assure of a worldwide or a global product which basically addresses the global concerns or threats. Because it is not that a virus outbreak in Japan is not going to spread in India. So you need to look at an OEM or a partner to address that at a global scale in general at your network. These are the innovations which we keep on doing in general, and these are every quarter we introduce new and new products in general. It's an innovative company. We just have been able to innovate every quarter, and some of the examples, if I can run through, if you can quickly please. Good. I can do this fine. than 2 lakh customers today worldwide have been using Fortinet in general. If you talk about IDC, if you talk about Gartner, Fortinet has been ranked in the leadership position in general. So we can talk much about that probably in detail. We have a group, probably we can detail more about that. So I just wanted to come to the point is, today we have the world's fastest low latency security product. What I mean is, if a traffic of 1 terabyte passes through the product, we can scan it within 1 second. The same product is available for 20,000 rupees. We have the same technology available for a 20 CR also. So it's a complete range of products which we carry today, right from an SMB to the enterprise, what we address in general. When I talk about competition, nobody comes close in terms of number of certifications which we carry, because security products are very important. You select an OEM which has got the maturity, with 15 years in the market, with leadership, with security, with certifications across the spectrum from every particular certified body. Fortinet has an Indian footprint across. My closest competitor not even has half the headcounts we have in India, which excites me to work with this company for the last 8 years. We have close to 150 people in the country. We have a training center, we have RMS centers, 12 offices spread across. And we try to address this 13 million market, which is on a growth. That's security market. That is solution market, because people are looking at consolidation of different networking and security products, and that's what Fortinet tries to bring into their perspective, and some of the products which it carries. So probably, if you look at it today, Fortinet, probably I would look at this as one of the last slides. If Deepak permits to probably go ahead. If you can just go back, guys. This is the solutions we carry, because there is a whole fraternity of rest of channels sitting here who know just about Fortinet as the FortiGate product, the security product, the UTM product. Let me tell you friends, security is not just defined or confined to one product alone. You need multiple products and solutions to achieve that. You need today, customer's requirement is to achieve BYOD, bring your own device, because you already know what is the sales or the growth of sales on PC market. It is declining. People are looking at tablets, people are looking at tablets, people are looking at smartphones, and corporates are looking at adopting these technologies into their network. How do you achieve compliance? How do you achieve security? Bring your own device is the concept a CEO wants to adopt. The first concern will come is compliance and security. Fortinet products are there available. We give you our access points which can be controlled by the same security device, the FortiGate, which the customer has deployed on the perimeter. If the client wants to go more beyond, you can see there are products at every perspective. We have got a web application firewall, link load balancers, even to the extent IP cameras, which can now be connected to the FortiGate in general. You have been selling switches. What is the difference in our switches in general? Why do we want to sell an L2 or an L3 switch in market? Because it can bring the right level of security to you, to the customers. What happens when there is an outbreak in the LAN? You have an antivirus on the desktop for sure. What happens beyond that? What if that antivirus software is not able to detect it? The FortiGate box can block that port and ensure that that machine is quarantined if you are using a FortiGate switch out there in general. So just to talk about more, if you know about Fortinet, just to conclude that last slide, Fortinet has got products like, FortiClient. Just to tell you where we are today, in ensuring that the customers value the security which we bring, or ensuring the value of the products which we can bring to our channel. We have ensured that the desktop antivirus is free totally from our side. We have a product called FortiClient. It is a complementary product along with the FortiGate product, which is a perimeter firewall. You can deploy a desktop or an endpoint antivirus product in all the PCs in your organization. That's how we want to look at security. Make it affordable, make it easy to use. Ensure that it is much more robust, it is much more easily adopted. Otherwise, it is not going to be a priority in any organization. Security has to be looked among the top 2 priorities in the organization. I was looking at the Gartner report. In India, security still is at the 6th and the 7th position. Somehow we have to all jointly work and change this mindset and probably look at network security, endpoint security, data security as the number 2 position, because the organizations are dependent on the IT infrastructure and so on. Thanks. I will conclude my presentation.